I'm Lepeniotis. It's Greek, so don't try to pronounce it, it's difficult. Here representing Vitruvius Developments. We are a real estate developer situated in Athens, Greece, and we promote the Greek Golden Visa, which is permanent residency through real estate purchase. The Greek Golden Visa is the most affordable program at the moment, offering permanent residency in the EU. It's fast, easy and transparent. You can buy timeless investments in Athens or generally in Greece, where you have an amazing landscape, an opportunity to have property in one of the most advantageous countries of the Mediterranean, enjoy the culture, food, sun, the lovely climates and lovely people as well. It is easy, transparent, and the time processing is quite fast. So we're talking about 4 to 6 months, worst case scenario, to get your permanent residency. The documentation for this endeavor is minimal, so you just need your passports and your family certificates. So it's basically 2 steps. One is to conclude a sale, finalize the sale per the Greek legal framework, own the property, and once you own the property, you can go ahead and submit your Golden Visa application. The whole process can be initiated remotely by granting a power of attorney from your home country or by traveling to Greece. If you don't want to travel to Greece, it's pretty easy to get a POA signed either to the Greek consulate or one which can bear an apostille seal, so we can start the process on your behalf. The client needs to travel only once to Greece for their biometric submission, and that's the last step of issuing the visa. There's no requirement for the client to stay in Greece at all if they do not want to do so. Greece also provides free educational system, the option to stay as much as you want in Greece, and also travel to all Schengen territories using the visa you get granted.